Sorry for just now. I finally got a cameraman. So, I'm gonna do something. Okay, this is just a normal thing. I'm gonna follow Aeroplane. I don't know if it's good, but it's better than nothing. You remember this Aeroplane? I used it for funny. That video, you know, that weird video. So, it might not be good, but at least it's better than nothing. Hey guys, I finally made mine. Wait, with a simple touching on it. I don't know if this will work. Okay, so guys, it's me. Yeah. Okay, so the airplane is okay, go. I'm gonna aim for that window. Okay. It did. You win. I